Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at a car that helped shape the modern EV era, the 2026 Tesla Model 3. Tesla's best-selling sedan has received its most refined update yet, blending sleek design, impressive range, and smarter tech. But does it still set the standard in the EV world? Let's find out. Design. The new Model 3 keeps its clean, minimalist shape but sharpens it with slimmer headlights, a smoother front end, and improved aerodynamics. Tesla has clearly focused on making it more elegant without losing its signature identity. The cabin feels more premium too, with softer materials, ambient lighting, and a quieter ride thanks to better sound insulation. It's still simple, but now it feels more like a true luxury EV. Performance. When it comes to performance, Tesla continues to impress. The 2026 Model 3 offers brisk acceleration and a more refined suspension setup for a smoother, more composed ride. Range has climbed to over 400 miles on a full charge for the long-range trim, and charging speeds are faster thanks to updated battery tech. Steering is more responsive too, making it just as fun in the city as it is on long highway drives. Features and technology. Inside, the tech is front and center. The updated infotainment system is faster, cleaner, and more customizable. Tesla's advanced driver assistance suite is smarter than ever, with smoother lane changes and improved situational awareness. The new ambient AI assistant helps control functions with natural voice commands, and over-the-air updates keep the car improving long after you buy it. Conclusion. So, the 2026 Tesla Model 3 isn't a radical reinvention, it's a carefully polished evolution. More comfort, smarter tech, better range, and the same thrilling electric drive that made it famous. What do you think of Tesla's latest upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button if you enjoyed this quick review, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest takes on the newest EVs and beyond. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next drive.